Hey all, welcome back to Basin Motorsports. So if you remember back a couple months ago, I had put an OEM fuel door on the WideFox widebody flare. Now the reason was because we have gas attendants that pump your own gas in Oregon and you don't have to touch the pump. This week, Oregon has repealed that law in outlying counties. Now that affects 15 counties that have 40,000 residents or less. So thankfully, my county is not one of those affected, so I won't have to worry about it, and all my work on the fuel door still stays intact. The fun part about it is that I didn't grow up in Oregon, so pumping my own gas is not a problem to me. The real fun of it, though, is that people in Oregon have lit up social media and are losing their minds. There are drivers that never learned how to pump their own gas because they've never driven outside of Oregon, and that law has been in effect for 60 years. So the question is, outside of New Jersey, I think everybody else in America has to pump their own gas. What do you think? Is this ridiculous that people are just losing their minds over having to pump gas? I've seen people say that they're at risk for now dying because they're going to explode pumping their own gas because they don't know how to do it. So the question is, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Is it completely ludicrous that people are worried about this? Or do you think the legislation in Oregon should have left it alone?